Hey everyone, we're here at 1213 Reese Drive in Franklin, and we just helped our clients move from Davidson County to Franklin Williamson County to get their children in the great school district here. And it's been a little bit of a challenge when you buy and you sell and jumping through hoops and trucks are packed, but we did it. God is so good. We're so grateful for the family we got to meet. They're originally from New York and now are here in Franklin residence, and we're so excited to put them in this gorgeous, gorgeous home. We have the house for you. Call me today if you're looking to buy or sell. Anne Sena, 615-609-6588. Have a great day.